Hey, if you were paid for every cobra you killed, what would you do? A. Go catch wild cobras. B. Start breeding them at home, then kill them. The answer from 19th century Delhi? B, and a lot of B. And that's how the Cobra Effect was born. A well-intended policy that gave birth to a whole nest of snakes.
Welcome to Cool Past, where history isn't just a list of dates, but a series of ridiculous, fascinating, and surprisingly human stories.
In 19th century Delhi, cobras were the embodiment of death. The British administration panicked. They issued a progressive policy: kill a cobra, bring its head, and earn a reward. People swarmed out to hunt snakes. Cobra head collection points popped up like bubble tea shops. Not long after, people began breeding cobras to kill them.
Oh no!
Cobra Farm, Cobra Holdings, profit by snake death, startups were born like mushrooms. The government noticed the cobra head count was rising, but wild snakes weren't decreasing. They investigated, and were shocked. People were farming cobras like chickens.
Oh my god.
The program was cancelled. Citizens released the snakes en masse.
No!
Result: more snakes, more panic, and a deeply embarrassed government. Thus, the Cobra Effect was born. When a policy accidentally encourages exactly what it aimed to stop. Pay for cobra heads. People mass-produce cobras. The lesson? Before making a policy, think about how people might game it. Otherwise, you might end up funding the weirdest industry in history.